today?
Welcome back, everybody. So today what we're doing today is this is the fascia board, and at the corners of the houses, a lot of times you get these rotting issues and you get holes. So we're gonna patch it today with this stucco repair kit. Hey guys, we're gonna do something a little different and do voiceover, which I rarely ever do. Anyway, but when you're patching holes like this on your fascia or anywhere on the exterior, you want to use a substance like either vinyl spackle, or in this case, I'm using a synthetic stucco mix. And the reason for that is because we want to create a body for the paint to stick to. After we're done with this, we're going to waterproof it with paint, and you want something that'll solidify and create a surface that'll be good for adherence. And in addition, you don't want to use something like gypsum based, or something porous, because that'll harbor mold and bacteria and things like that. So use something that's resistant to water, and yeah, hope this helps you. All right, good luck.